Lottie files are animated image files that can be scaled up without losing resolution. The files themselves are just text files in a JSON format. This means that they're much smaller than nearly all other video files. Lottie files are in a vector format, which means they can scale up to any size and not lose any resolution or get blurry. Another advantage that Lottie files has is that they can have transparent backgrounds. Lottie files are most often created using Adobe After Effects and are exported in the Lottie file format. You can go to lottiefiles.com to learn more about Lottie files, download free and paid Lottie files, and learn how to make your own. To add Lottie files to your Camtasia project, import them like you would import any other media files. You can drag the files to the media bin and then to the canvas or timeline. Resize and position the Lottie files where you want them to appear. And if you need to speed them up or slow them down, you can right-click them to add clip speed.